Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Studio on an iPad. It's important to know that Roblox Studio does not have a dedicated application for tablets. This powerful development environment is built for desktop computers, specifically those running Windows or Mac OS operating systems. However, there are methods to access and utilize some of its creation features directly from your iPad, allowing you to work on your projects on the go. We will explore these options to help you get started. One primary way to use Roblox Studio on your iPad is through a web browser. Simply open Safari or Chrome and go to the Roblox Creator Hub website. Crucially, you must request the desktop site version to unlock more features, as the mobile view is limited. After logging in with your Roblox account, you can access various tools, though the touch interface might require some adjustment. This method offers a convenient, direct approach without needing extra software. For a more complete Roblox Studio experience, consider using remote desktop applications. These tools allow you to control your personal computer, which is running Roblox Studio, directly from your iPad. Programs like TeamViewer, Splashtop, or Chrome Remote Desktop are excellent choices. Your computer needs to be powered on and connected to the internet. This setup effectively mirrors your desktop onto your tablet, giving you access to all the advanced features and a familiar interface. While using Roblox Studio on an iPad offers flexibility, there are some limitations to consider. The touch interface can make precise building and intricate scripting quite challenging. iPads also typically have less processing power compared to a dedicated desktop computer, which might affect performance. Attaching a physical keyboard and mouse can significantly enhance your workflow. For extensive or professional game development, a computer running Windows or Mac OS remains the most efficient and recommended platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.